Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southeast on Bob Marley Boulevard towards Sonny Bradshaw Avenue in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. Turning off Bob Marley Boulevard onto Sonny Bradshaw Avenue. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coore, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Also, the streets of Cooreville Gardens are named after famous Jamaican artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. And Sonny Bradshaw Avenue is named after Sonny Bradshaw. Cecil Sonny Bradshaw CD, born the 28th of March 1926, died 10th of October 2009, was known as the Dean of Jamaican Music and the musician's musician. Sonny Bradshaw Avenue ends and we are at Eccles Link. Turning onto Eccles Link. He was a Jamaican bandleader, trumpeter, broadcaster and promoter who was a major figure in Jamaican music for more than 60 years. Bradshaw was born in Kingston, Jamaica. He attended Central Branch Conservatorium and then Kingston Technical High School. The road is impassable and we are turning back onto Sonny Bradshaw Avenue. Sonny was a regular reader of Popular Mechanics magazine, which led him to build his own radio, allowing him to listen to music from Cuba and the United States. His first job after leaving school was at Montague's Mosaic on Tower Street, and he taught himself to read music and play the trumpet. We are back on Sonny Bradshaw Avenue. His first professional work as a musician came in the late 1940s in Eric Dean's orchestra. He left in 1950 to form the Sonny Bradshaw 7. He claimed 7 was his lucky number, which became renowned for creating the sounds of a 14-piece orchestra with only 7 musicians, and later also led the Jamaican Big Band, aka the All Stars Band. Sonny Bradshaw Avenue ends and we are turning off Sonny Bradshaw Avenue onto Bob Marley Boulevard. His career also saw him working as a journalist, broadcaster and teacher. His pupils included saxophonist Dean Fraser and drummer Desi Jones. For over 14 years, he served as the president of the Jamaican Federation of Musicians, during which time he battled to improve the working condition of live band musicians, whilst also encouraging greater professionalism from the musicians themselves. Along with his wife, singer Myrna Haig, he founded the Ocherius Jazz Festival in 1991. He also founded the Tasty Talent Contest in 1979, later known as the Tasty Talent Trail, which played a major part in launching the career of artists including Yellowman, Beanie Man, Mr. Vegas, T.O.K., Papa San, Mad Cabra, and Brian and Tony Gold. We are now driving on Wailers Avenue. He was awarded the Order of Distinction, Commander Class, by the Jamaican government for his contribution to the Jamaican music in 2004. He was also honored by the Miramar City Commission at a ceremony to mark the opening of the Miramar Cultural Arts Center in Florida in 2008 for his contribution to music in Jamaica and internationally. On the left is the other end of Eccles Link. Bradshaw regularly visited the United Kingdom, where he would attend the annual service of Thanksgiving on the anniversary of Jamaica's independence at St. Martin's in the Fields. He suffered a stroke while in London in August 2009 and remained in hospital until his death on the 10th of October at aged 83. He was a true musical pioneer who dedicated more than 6 decades of his life to ensure that Jamaican music, and especially jazz, was always kept in the forefront and was accessible to all. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.